Apocalypse.
Hello guys, this is JD Gaming and Tech. Today I'm going to tell you about the new website released by Sony PlayStation to make it easier for you to access PlayStation Network if you have on the laptop or Windows PC. You don't need to have any mobile phone anymore or just PlayStation to access the PSN. So I'm going to walk you guys how to get to the website. I'll leave the link in description. First you gotta type in my.playstation.com. Go to the website. I'll leave the link in the description. Then you have to sign in. You have to use your PlayStation Network and ID to sign in. I've already signed in, so I'm just gonna open up my account. There you go. Once the sign is gonna show up like this. It's showing my profile right there. You can see my about and trophies and friends. I can see my friends from the friends tab. I can set friend requests. I can send requests and all things. I can even check trophies and I can compare them. No need of any mobile phone or PlayStation anymore. You can access it on any laptop from now on. And I can see my notifications tab, and even I can check my messages from here, right here. It's so easy, and in my opinion it's better than the PlayStation app. It's much cleaner and everything. There you go, there you have friends. It's showing my friends online, so it's really helpful. Do check it guys, and please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you like this video. Thank you guys.